Hi, I'm Chris Janusis. I own this 1989 Corvette that you're seeing, and I put a lot of work into it in about the past year and a half. It's been a fun car to drive. It's my daily driver, and let me give you some facts. It's a C4 Corvette. It's a 1989. They produced the C4 from 1984 until the late 90s, I believe 1996. Over time, different engines were put in as the years went on. I have the L98 V8, which is the, I'm going to say, third most powerful engine they had in it. It's connected to a 700 R4 automatic 4-speed transmission, and it has a posi rear. I spent about half the year when I bought this car fixing it up, getting it ready, and I started daily driving it. It got me up to New Hampshire and back for my job for the summer. It's all part of the experience, fixing it, driving it, and also, of course, just the entire 80s experience of driving a C4 Corvette. There's a lot more to be done on it, but as of now, it's running pretty well, and there are only minimal issues.